Today we are going to discuss about the topic the rubber cultivation. The scientific name of rubber is Hevea brasiliensis, which belongs to the family of Euphorbiaceae. The chromosome number of rubber is 2n is equal to 36, which belongs to the native of South America. It produces the milky sap commonly called as the latex, which is the primary source of natural rubber. India is number 4 among the top 10 rubber producing countries. Kerala state is the leading producer in India. Tamil Nadu contributes 3% of total natural rubber production in India. Let's see about the cultivation of rubber. Rubber requires deep and latentic fertile soil with an acidic pH of 4.5 to 6. Tropical climate with an average rainfall of 2000 to 4500 mm is suitable. Temperature ranges from 25 to 34 degrees Celsius is suitable. 80% of relative humidity is best suited for the cultivation of rubber. The best season for the cultivation of rubber is from June to July. There are three methods of propagation in rubber cultivation: green budding, brown budding, and crown bedding. The most popular varieties of rubber includes PB86, BD5, BD10, PR17, etc. In order to perform the cultivation of rubber, first the nursery bed should be prepared. The bed size of about 6 by 120 cm width and of length convenient. The seedling stems should be 23 by 23 cm or by 30 by 30 cm in size. The manuring should be done at the seedling stage by applying 2.5 tons per hectare of farmyard manure and 350 kg per hectare of rock phosphate. After the 2 months of seedling stage, planting should be done. Planting should be done at the pit size of 1 meter cube is dug and filled up with topsoil and compost. In situ sowing is performed in the rubber cultivation. Few months after the planting, manuring should be done. For the immature rubber tree, 12 kg of farmyard manure and 120 gram of rock phosphate should be applied. The apply of NPK and Mg in the ratio of 10:4:1:5 as per the schedule. 400 kg of mixture per hectare can be applied in 2 split doses, one in April or May and another in September or October. After the 5 years of planting, the tree is ready for tapping. For the tapping process, each rubber tree is tied with the shells. Let's see about the rubber tapping process. Rubber tapping is a process by which the latex is collected from the rubber tree. The latex is harvested by slicing a groove into the bark of the tree at the depth of 1/4 inch, which is approximately 6.5 mm, with a hooked knife and peeled back its bark. The tree must be approximately 5 years old and 6 inches in diameter in order to be tapped for the latex. The work should be done at the night or at the early morning. Early morning is most preferred for the collection of latex. The milk is collected from the shell and poured in the tray and allowed it to dry for 1 day, and the next day the milk is converted into the rubber sheets. The rubber sheets is either dried in the sunlight or at the heat. It should be completely dried under the heat. This is the instrument that is used for the conversion of milk into rubber sheets. And this is the another instrument that are used for the tapping of the tree for the milk collection. Depending on the final product, additional chemicals can be added to the latex cup to preserve the latex for the longer period. The latex products is used for the dipped rubber products or for the manufacture of ripped sheet grades. For the mature tree under tapping, apply NPK in the ratio of 10:10:10 mixture in the 2 split doses. Add 10 kg of commercial magnesium sulfate for every 100 kg of the above mixture. The diseases that are involved in the rubber cultivation are abnormal leaf fall, secondary leaf fall, powdery mildew, etc. Coming about the yield of rubber, rubber yield increases year by year after reaching a peak in 14 years of planting. In South India, the annual yield of rubber is 375 kg per hectare from the seedling trees, and from the budded trees the plant yields about 800 to 1000 kg per hectare. In Kanyakumari district, the yield of cultivation of rubber is 19,233 hectares of rubber. Thank you all for all your patience of listening.